Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Gab Official. Today I'm going to show you how to check your flywheel for excessive play and also the symptoms that will occur if you've got a faulty dual mass flywheel. So this is not a solid flywheel, this is a dual mass flywheel. Also, I can see that 92% of you that's actually viewing my channel is not subscribed. I'd well appreciate it if you could just hit that like or subscribe button. It would really help me out. It's nothing to you, but it means a lot to my channel, and it also helps my content to reach a wider audience. Work vibes today, you know what I mean? Yeah, what's out on that? Now it is Monster Energy Life. Gotta remove that flywheel. Some excessive play in there. As you can see, that dual mass is completely buggered. You can see the excessive movement in that. Shouldn't be doing that. You're going to have to replace that. So anyone that's doing a car, literally didn't have an issue with the dual mass. Normally you get like a vibration sometimes through the flywheel. It'll come straight through to the pedal. Clutch pedal. Most of 9 out of 10 times it's the dual mass, as you can see, because that's what stops all the vibration. And when you're getting a noise coming from the gearbox as well, I'm pressing and releasing the clutch pedal. As you can see, I've got it off right now. There's another tester, so you've got to take it off and test it. You can see it shouldn't be doing that. Okay, now we're going to check the angle of the flywheel using the dial gauge, UTI gauge, they call it, so literally just going to hold it down. That's on one side. I'm going to zero it. Now we're going to do the other side. Just going to put it down. And the reading is supposed to be a minimum of 2.5 millimeters. You can see that's more than that, even just on that side. That's almost 45 millimeters. Thank you, and thank you for choosing Gab Official. Please like, share, and subscribe for further content on my channel. Stay blessed, keep on rolling. Boom.